This video contains the single most important lesson you can learn in photography, but it's not a new camera or a hack, and so not many people would watch it. We knew we couldn't succeed with this type of video on YouTube, so we created our own dedicated video training series that we decided to sell to people, The Art and Science of Photography with 10 hours of video. And for the first time, we're giving you one of those videos for free in the hopes that you learn something for free. But if you like this and you want more of this type of video, tutorials that really change your photography, go to our store, and I've already knocked $70 off the price, but you can use this coupon code for an additional 35% off. And then there's no risk, because if you're not happy with it, just let us know and we'll give you your money back. Enjoy the video.
For the last 6 months, I've been coming here and taking pictures of the lighthouse at different times, and I'm using the same camera, the same angle,